Igbo ndị mana game taking kwa mụ n'ụbọchị nke taata biko na onwe short video nchọkwu na unu na-echa ya ma bata ka nnachi ata azụ ka nkwe ihe dị m n'obi na nekenenu this very short video na nekenenu.
I will prefer to be buried in Igbo land, and in that regards now I am telling you my solidarity in regards the concept of dissolving this scam, this adventure that is all about annihilating people that they perceive that by virtue of population they are non-entities. I am telling you. And in this regards, together is either we buy all for this thing, or at the end of the day, the right thing must be done.
Thank you, Mom. Let's go the short video because I'm not that now. Ihe nchọrọ ikwu kwa afụnube ma nwa biko nwere onye ndị Igbo appointing ka ọ na-ekwuchitere Igbo ọnụ ha. Enwere onye ndị Igbo mere appoint ka ndị Igbo na-ekwuchitere and na-represent ndị Igbo na-ekwuchitere ọnụ ndị Igbo, because I'm beginning to see so many things na-eme na social media. Biko nu gee ntị onwe ihe nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Cubana chief priest kwuru nya. Biko unu uche onye adịkwana ya njọ, because Cubana chief priest pụta anya unu na na scream unu ya forcing I say anybody enjoying Lagos State today owns Tinubu. Tinubu will build that Lagos State that they all enjoy. Tinubu build that Lagos State that everybody is enjoying. On a women in all of this, no ndi why na-ekwu this thing. Nwe jua biko enwele ihe dịka onye Igbo ndị Igbo mela appoint ka ha na-ekwuchite ọnụ ndị Igbo. So no Tinubu lo Lagos where dị ọnụ ọ dị. So onye lungu a state amalungu Nigeria. Na edosa Tinubu na dosa Alex Oti kedu onye ya ewe. Obego mgbasa abịa kwuo ihe okwu sị na Alex Oti na alụlụ Tinubu ọlụ na Alex Oti owns Tinubu nka Alex Oti mee nka kịta ọsụkwa na onye ọbụla niile na Lagos owns Tinubu. Nwanne m nwoke biko ọ bụ na o nwere ego Tinubu nyere unu biko nu lienu na ya in peace hapụnụ ndị mmadụ aka. Enwekwana ihe ọzọ na-elite Tinubu ọ bụ na you guys were blackmailed into supporting this barbaric governmental failure. Unu na support biko mee ya in peace ma mee gịnị ka ndụ onye ọbụla dịrị onye ọbụla. Tupu m gaa further ka m gụpụtala unu ihe the full story ihe Cubana dị before I dive into ihe anyị na-dive. Osin likewise me papa I live there too. Man we build Lagos we change everybody life. Iyalaya everybody Asiwaju back to back. I just wanna see who be their candidate. Make we chop and like amala, a tip or more. We own Asiwaju Tinubu, all of us enjoying Lagos today. We owe Baba and we go use vote pay am back. You go use vote to pay am back. Ask him kanjukena. So you could all these things today now. You could try any na you know today. Always kezi here we gwande Igbo. Kezi here we gwande Igbo. Ọ dị nnọọ ka that thing adịrọ enough. N'enu video ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru regarding ndị otu Obi Cubana.
Sheyi, my good friend, you don't clear for your eye now. You don't see all these men na money they find. City boy movement, you don't die down small. Now they talk about Didi Towel and every other thing. No more city boy. Bring out more money, they go shout again. Bring money. As long as money is coming out, city boy movement will continue. But if you know they bring, because me, allegedly, I dey hear say money where they bring, where they use suppose buy something for Imo, say they no buy complete. You still the verse say where the balance. Now where they ask the balance, they no go do again, no.
Now in a good video, now let's dive into a deeper something. Oh, will him in Abuja. And will him in Abuja because we introduce you for kute buono no naba mobito. And will him in Abuja. Una for this post. Yes, Donald Trump. Also again, Nandi Behano na Nigeria potaba, especially Abuja. And he went ahead to name 25 states in Nigeria no entry. He went as far as naming 25 states in Nigeria. Can go put alone some of the things Donald Trump could be. From my just go and say, the United States Department of State have directed non-essential staff and family members to leave the U.S. Embassy Abuja over worsening security concern across Nigeria. So at the end of the day, the advisory placed Nigeria on a level 3 reconsider travel, why 23 states have now been classified under the strict level 4 do not travel category. So some of those states mentionable, I said, flagged for the widespread of unrest. Also now Abia, Anambra, Bayelsa, Delta, Enugu, Imo, Rivers, and Vasira, especially including Port Harcourt for the highest risk category. The U.S. Department also not again. So now all those states again, newly added state in the list, Plateau, Adamawa, Jigawa, Kwara, Taraba, they join other northern states already considered high risks, including Borno, Yobe, Kogi, and part of Adamawa, while terrorism and kidnapping threat remain severe. Several southern eastern states are also flagged due to widespread of crime and unrest. This includes Abia State and Andoti, where Donald Trump released his statement. Although that not enough, in this video, kuno for available problems with video. This particular video be here, man. Donald Trump was now withdrawn the beha Nigerian in this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, update when they reach me now be say this video where they see now for Abuja that ain't happen. Say I think an hour ago or two, say Fulani headsmen them come they enter Abuja, they come they shoot up and down for over an hour. This thing they go down. So now be the updates waiting they go on. Now remember a few months ago when they be a couple weeks ago when these people been take over one place, that village where they pursue people come out. They can't talk say Abuja is next and all those things. So I hope that's not what's playing. Because was it yesterday the US consulate, US embassy and the United States of America calling people back, begin they put their people based on terrorist attack, say Nigeria are unsafe right now. So what's going on? Is this a connection to that? I'll leave it at your table.
I'm on the next that video. Oya made that video kita bo ihe mere Donald Trump ji wesi na ha na-ewepụ ndị be ha mana ka efuze how wicked Nigerian government is. So Nigerian government be release this statement kita we na asị. The Nigerian police have dismissed a viral video circulating on social media alleging an ongoing terrorist attack in Federal Capital Territory, describing it as false and misleading. While somebody now, an English alleged now report this morning that over 1,000 Boko Haram members were transported into Abuja between day before yesterday and yesterday. In fact, also not throughout this week and Abuja. Now the worst part of it is na government military cargo. On up for the plane and the number ebubata ha n'ime Nigeria. While ha dismiss this thing, ndị ọcha wee na-agwakwa gị sị gị na mba obodo adịrọ mma na ndị be ha nọ na that place pụtaba. Kedu ihe a yakpọ n'ihe nka? A whole police that's supposed to protect life and property wee bịa na-akọ dị ha nọ. At the end of the day, however, in this statement, also, the force is restricted that while citizens have the right to freedom of expression, such rights do not extend to deliberate spread of misinformation capable of threatening political peace and national security. Members of the public are hereby therefore advised to verify information before sharing and to refrain from engaging in activities that may incite fear and disorder. And so, after all these things, in a chigwamna, unayasena nda America Donald Trump na ndo tie na atwase, ona hatubodo Nigeria ase. The videos are there for everybody to see. But since they are not ready, call the one on boards and the buy.